I once felt stuck in a job with no future. Then a man told me I couldn't aim higher, which only made me determined to prove him wrong. His words hurt, but they also sparked something in me. It was like getting hit hard, but I knew I had to get up and show I could do more. I decided then and there not to believe his words. Instead, I chose to listen to my own voice, which told me I was meant for greater things. I promised myself not to give up, but to keep moving forward, to evolve instead of staying the same, especially when times got tough. Even in chaos, I believed it was possible to find peace and strength. I realized that expecting nothing because of past hurts only held me back. To win my future, I needed to believe in it, just like Kobe Bryant said that challenges are chances to rise. It's about not letting the dark times define you, but asking yourself what you can become because of them. When life gets hard, that's the time to fight harder for what you want. Protecting the progress you've made is crucial, just like guarding your own territory. It's about not getting stuck in your current troubles, but looking at them from above, gaining a new perspective and realizing they don't define you. To reach for the future, you have to let go of anything or anyone that weighs you down. It's about learning from every experience, even the painful ones, and asking, what am I becoming? Instead of why is this happening? Don't be scared of the dark, learn from it. Use adversity to your advantage. Dream of moving up, getting that promotion, and standing out. Sometimes you have to fall before you can fly. But once you spread your wings and start to flap them, everything changes. You might feel stuck or scared of what others will say, but it's part of the process. The breakthrough comes after the struggle. Keep faith.